I have a question for you. If your current employer asked you to relocate or you were offered a job in another city, would you have to think about it or would you jump at the chance? Why is the thought of starting over or doing something new exciting for some, but nearly heart-stopping for others? Would you know what to consider to make the decision? Hi, I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and eXp Realty, and I have 7 questions you should ask when considering relocation. Number 1, can I afford it? I'm sure this seems like an obvious thing to consider, but a big move across country can be financially overwhelming. Also, you'll need to account for last-minute expenses that will crop up, and you want to make sure you have enough saved and exceed whatever you think you'll need. No one needs the additional stress of a flat tire as you're driving to the new location and you don't have the funds for a new tire. Number 2, are there friends or family who live near your new location? Relocating can be very isolating and a lonely experience in the beginning. And the thought of leaving your closest friends or family makes your stomach hurt. This may not be the time for relocation. Number 3, what is the job market like there? Do your research first and make sure that you have a job or a savings to use before you move. Knowing the culture and job markets can affect when you choose to move. Number 4, is it worth relocating for my job? This one has to do with the cost of living. The cost of living varies from state to state and the area in the state. Be sure to research salary expectations for comparable positions wherever you are thinking of moving to. Knowing such information as local groceries, gas, taxes, the average rent or mortgage can help you negotiate the right salary to have the same living standard. Number 5, when is the best time of year to move? This may seem like a silly thing to consider, but in different cities or housing markets, rent can fluctuate based on the time of year. Another consideration is the weather where you are moving from versus where you're moving to. Number 6, what is the real estate market like in the new location and where are the good neighborhoods? If you are used to paying $750 a month for rent, but that same type of home now goes for $1,250 a month in your new city, you would definitely want to know that up front. Consider finding a realtor in the new area to connect with. They can help direct you to whatever you're looking for. In addition, there are usually lots of companies who specifically help people relocate and can answer questions about where you're moving to. Number 7, is the culture of the city a good fit for you and could you actually be happy there? The same way when you choose a new home, you want to walk in and feel like it's home. You want to make sure the new city feels like home too. Different cities all have different vibes, and you want to make sure it is a good fit for you and your personality. I hope these 7 questions help when you are considering whether to move or not. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you're looking to relocate, reach out so I can help you make your process as smooth as possible. I'm Westy LaPlante with eXp Realty and Homes by Westy, helping families one home at a time. Make it a great day.